Hello folks, today we are going to be taking a look at this 60-inch Hampton Bay industrial ceiling fan. The fan is from November of 2006. Got it new in the box, so it's in very nice shape. It's got a ball socket mount, metal lower canopy, your UL sticker right there, information tag for those who are interested. Pretty nice piece. Blades are made out of plastic. Very interesting blade shape to them. These are very good performing fans. A lot of people bash on Hampton Bay fans, but these are very solid performers for what they are. Here's the box. That 2-foot down rod is also in there, so that's kind of nice. That's right here. So I think what I'm going to do is our warehouse at work needs a ceiling fan, and I'm probably going to put this fan in here because I certainly don't have any use for it. So probably have a good home in the warehouse, and it'll probably perform very nicely as well. So sorry for the movements here. So I got it hooked up to a solid state speed control, so we'll go ahead and fire it up on low. It's got a pretty noisy hum to it, but that's pretty par for the course for these fans. It also came with a 4-speed slide switch, which I thought was kind of a nice touch. And I always really liked the sound these fans made too. I thought it was a very interesting sound. So that's the low speed. It's not very slow, but these fans really rely on velocity to be good performing. So there's low. We'll go ahead and bump it up a little bit. Really feeling the air now. Bump her up just a little more. Oh, going the wrong way. Whoops. And that's pretty much full tilt. Unfortunately, I don't have a very wide range of speeds with this particular control, but I don't really want to hook up the 4-speed control it came with. But as you can see, it's moving at a pretty good clip. Definitely stirring the air up. I think it'll look really cool in the warehouse because I'm also going to use it on that down rod, the longer down rod, so I'm pretty excited to see how that's going to turn out. One other thing I did want to point out about it, and I'm going to stop this because we're going to be here for a very long time if we watch that thing spin down. So if we lift up the, I got to get a screwdriver here. fan actually has a reverse switch, which I found very interesting. Run capacitor and wiring is all up here in the yoke. Very interesting. I didn't think it had one, but it does. So for grins, we will reverse the fan and see how it does. We'll do a 0 to high in reverse here. Not much of a difference in speed. It does sound different. There's no whistling really. It just sounds like a regular old fan. And to be totally honest, this fan doesn't do as well in reverse. If anything, it's just spinning and making noise, honestly. It really doesn't do that much. I think the blade design is geared more towards counterclockwise rotation. And we'll just bump it down to low. It pretty much goes the same speed in either direction. So there you have it, folks. There's your 60-inch Hampton Bay industrial fan. I'll certainly try my best to get a video of it after it's installed in its location, so stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.